Well, folks, I got a package in the mail. Before I can get this eagle repinned up with those security pins, but I open everything on video now since I got jacked over. It's heavy. I think it's full of locks. Let's see what Santa brought. Oh. Some Vintage Hurd locks. Looks like you could tell when they were used. Usually there's rust right here and rust right here when you pull the shackle out, but there is none. So just a little age marks, but a little patina on there. These are perfectly nice, perfectly good shape. A crazy little keyway on there. It's like an L keyway. Looks pretty strange. It looks like it's straight up and down, but I guess if you put a bottom of the keyway, it'll block the pick, so you have to probably go top the keyway deep on this one. This is a nice looking lock. There should be 10 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All with 2 keys each. So I got some vintage, new old stock lock for collectors. See, these weren't used either. There's no rust or nothing in there. Yeah. Just a little bit of aged on there, no use. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me pick one of these in a minute and see what if I can make a video here. Alright, thanks for watching. I heard some vintage locks there. If you're interested, leave a comment and I might be able to get one out to you. That's just dirt. Alright.